Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide legend of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to show or hide legend of chart. Firstly, insert a chart in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. Then insert a chart. Then click the chart and select chart element. Then check mark on or off to hide or show the legend. Now we can see here we show or hide legend very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.